Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by opening Recorder app and choosing Allow in the pop-ups. Now to start recording, click on this red button at the bottom in the middle. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the square on the left. Then name your recording however you want to and click on Save in the pop-up. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. If you wish to access recordings list from this screen, use this button with 3 lines on the right. Lastly, to get rid of any recording, hold it and click on Bin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!